Tell me about how you put it together. Out of what?
Oh, when I bought this car, it was just a body and frame. The only mechanical part was a steering gear, and I built it from that. Engine, transmission, everything, springs, axles, all that stuff was missing.
And we're just talking about the seats are...
The seats are like a Ford Galaxy or T-Bird from 64 or 5.
Okay.
The whole car is wood from the floor up. The last year that they made them this way.
Where do you get the engine?
Engine I got from, well, I had a friend with a wrecking yard and another friend who was really into Buick engines, so we built it. And later on, we rebuilt it to run on the lower octane gas that showed up in the 70s, and so it runs on anything now.
So is it a 3-speed automatic?
Yeah, I think it's 3, maybe 4.
Is it?
It's a turbo 400.
Okay.
Hydromatic.
Yeah. How's the rear and the axle? Is it?
Yeah, and the rear end is the 9-inch Ford. And in 2009, we did a really big rebuild, and it's got the
Heidts suspension.
Yeah, the front clip, power brakes, power steering, disc brakes, independent suspension.
So how's it ride?
It rides nice. Yeah, it creaks because
The wood.
it's wood.
And what is this wood?
You know,
What do we got going on here?
I think Ford had their own Upper Michigan forest or whatever, and I believe it's maple that they use.
So you think
they use a couple different kinds of wood, but I think the framing is maple.
and the this was original wood?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the paneling's been replaced, but the framework is the 1948.
They all sound like you're kind of flying a wooden box. All of them sound like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got a tilt. You tilt.
It tilts.
Nice. And how are the brakes?
The brakes work good.
You got a power master booster,
Right.
and we'll look at that.
Yeah.
And then you've got a little stereo in here, so you got some tunes.